Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the updated process of adding a new language to your Google Chrome browser. Whether you're looking to browse in a different language or want to enhance your multilingual capabilities, these steps are straightforward and easy to follow. First, open your Chrome browser. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on them. This will open a drop-down menu. Next, click on Settings. This option is usually represented by a gear icon and will take you to the Settings page where you can customize various aspects of your browser. Now that you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Language section. Depending on your version of Chrome, you might need to click on Advanced to see more options. Once you locate the language option, click on it. In the Language settings, you'll see Preferred Languages listed. Here's where you can add a new language. Click on Add Languages. A pop-up window will appear with a list of available languages. Now it's time to choose your new language. You can either scroll through the list or use the search function to find your desired language quickly. Once you've selected it, click on Add to save your choice. After adding your new language, it will appear in your list of preferred languages. If you want this language to be your default for browsing, look for the 3 dots next to it and select Display Google Chrome in this language. This action sets it as your primary language. Finally, for these changes to take effect, you need to relaunch Chrome. Close all open Chrome windows and then reopen the browser. When Chrome starts again, it will now display in the language you selected. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new language to Google Chrome and customized your browsing experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.